Welcome to our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's latest flagship smartphone that redefines innovation, performance, and design. In this video, we explore everything this powerhouse has to offer, from its stunning design to its cutting-edge features. Is it worth the upgrade? To see the price and more info about the S25 Ultra, you can find the link in the description. Let's dive in. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a stunning 3200 by 1440 resolution, a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness that outshines most competitors. Perfect for streaming, gaming, or productivity, this display sets new standards for smartphone screens. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2500 processor, or Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, depending on your region, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficient multitasking. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it. The camera system is where the S25 Ultra truly shines. Samsung has taken mobile photography to the next level with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 telephoto lenses capable of 10x and 100x zoom. From breathtaking landscape shots to detailed zoom captures, this camera system is versatile and powerful. We also test its 8K video recording and AI-enhanced photography modes, which promise sharper, more vibrant results in all lighting conditions. Another standout feature is the massive 6,000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. With 65-watt wired charging and 40-watt wireless charging, powering up is faster than ever. Samsung has also incorporated a new reverse wireless charging feature to help you charge other devices on the go. Running on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers a clean and customizable user experience, along with enhanced productivity features for S Pen users. In this video, we also cover the build quality, durability, yes, it's IP68 rated, and the overall value proposition of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates.